Let's debunk some myths about real estate investment. Myth number one: you need a lot of money to start real estate. That's not true. You can begin your real estate investment journey with as little as 10 to 20% down payment with some developers. Myth number two: real estate is only for the wealthy. That's not true. Many average people like you are successfully investing in real estate and building wealth. Myth number three: it's a get rich quick scheme. That is not true. Successful real estate investing takes time, it takes effort, and it takes strategic planning. So, my friend, don't let myths hold you back from exploring real estate. Join us at Bisimka Real Estate Show for accurate information and guidance on your investment journey.